Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Anthony from Gears Racing. Today we're going to be looking at our newly launched product, the FFC250. It comes in 3 models, the S model, the T model, and the TT model. We're going to be talking about models in a different video. First, we're going to have a look at our packaging. So here we can see a front fork cartridge printed on the corrugated box, front forks clearly printed on the box, and our logo. Then we're going to have a look inside the package. The first thing you can see in our package will be the front fork oil, which is specially formulated for our front forks. Then we can see each package being signed off by our quality control manager. An owner's manual, some stickers, and a warranty card, and a key holder. Then we can have a look inside the package. The front fork being secured by high density foam so that it stays in place when it's being delivered to your house. Now we're going to talk about some of the adjustment features on the FFC250. To adjust the preload, use a 15mm socket. Turn it clockwise to increase preload. Turn it anti-clockwise to release preload. Each rotation of the preload adjustment is a 1mm change in preload. To adjust the rebound and compression, use a 3mm Allen key. Turn it clockwise to increase rebound and compression. Turn it anti-clockwise to release rebound and compression. Last but not least, we're going to talk about why would you want to choose a cartridge type front fork over a conventional type front fork. A conventional type front fork has holes on the dampening rod to control dampening, which has a small range of adjustability and a small range of performance. If you like our product and our merchandise, check out the link down below, give us a like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching our video.